Hi, miss. Can you come off the plane with me?
Well, if you can explain to me the reason why.
I'll explain it out there,
No,
but
I
we
would
can't.
like, no,
Miss, this is what's going to happen.
We're gonna
listen, I'm not a...
10:50.
Are you kidding me? Stop! I will walk.
You're gonna get another charge.
No, you're
Just
hurting
walk.
me.
We're not hurting. You walk.
In this video, we watch a routine denied boarding decision spiral into a full-blown airport meltdown. What should have ended with a simple walk off the plane instead turns into a standoff involving airline staff, supervisors, police officers, and a first-class passenger who refuses to accept that she's not flying anywhere. Let's be real for a moment. We've all felt that airport stress, rushing, tired, annoyed, convinced that if someone would just listen, everything would be fine. That part is human. But if you're about to watch someone turn, "Ma'am, you can't fly tonight," into a forced removal, handcuffs, and a crash course in what not to do on an airplane, go ahead and hit that like button as emotional hazard pay. Because the level of denial and self-inflicted chaos on display here makes missing a flight look like the best outcome imaginable. At approximately 9:15 p.m. on April 1st, 2025, police officers responded to an airport after receiving reports of an unfolding disturbance.
To board, and I just observed her, but obviously she's drunk, and I just watched her and saying, and then she ran up the jet bridge to go get her bag because she left her bag at Gasparilla. Then I was gonna have a conversation with her, and know she'd been drinking, blah blah blah. Well, I told her she wasn't gonna board until we had a conversation. She ran down the jet bridge and kept going after I told her repeatedly to come back up here and continued. Now she refuses to get off the aircraft. So we're removing her off the aircraft, but she will not come off the aircraft. So that is what you're walking into.
All right, well, we got a supervisor on the way.
We can go down, but we just won't go in.
Yeah, we just can't go on the plane.
She came off and went back on after we informed her she could not get on the aircraft. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Like I said, our supervisor's coming, so he's got to be the one to go on and like kind of get her to come off. So, is there any interference?
She had gotten the face of the captain and the first officer.
But nothing physical, right? It was just.
I don't believe so.
Yeah, scan. Yeah, hey, listen. Do you have a scanner? Then scanner. Hold on a second. Yeah.
We have already been informed. Can you tell her police is telling her to go?
No, I've already told her that. She ran back on the airplane.
Well, police are here. Can you?
I know, but here's what, if you could kindly do this. If one of you, she's sitting right in the first class, if one of you could kindly go behind in the aisle and then the other one ask her to come off.
We cannot go in the plane. Only supervisor.
So you can, but your supervisor can?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, yeah. So,
We get it from the rundown.
okay, so.
You just want to let her know that police are here telling her to get off the plane? We just can't go in the plane. So,
I'll escort down the plane.
no, we can go in the plane. It's just for this, we can't.
It's game plan.
She won't come on. She says
We're just waiting for our supervisor.
Her supervisor is the only one that can go on the airplane.
Now, are you the CRO? Was there something?
GSC and
Can I get a picture of your badge or your name or something just in case? I think she'll get off. We have her on now.
Well, she's getting off.
She's
getting off.
She was standing right here. And I said, please come with me. The
That other
police are
agent
coming.
is still here?
And then when she heard the police, she went to the
To address the situation inside, they would need a supervisor with the authority to enter and handle what was truly unfolding on board.
So just a quick synopsis. So I guess she's probably was hanging at Gasparilla. She checks in, she walks down, but then she runs back up because I guess she forgot her bag. But I guess she may have been a little belligerent.
Yeah.
But then the agent went to stop her to kind of be like, well, you're not flying with us now.
Yeah.
Just completely runs by her and just jumps on the plane. Then apparently got off the plane, but then went right back on. So apparently, I guess the only way she'll probably get off now is if she sees a police officer, from what they're telling me. So hopefully she'll come off when she sees you.
Hi, how are you? Good, good. So I'm gonna go stand behind her. She's the second seat in the green.
What's her name?
First? What's her name? Okay, I'm gonna stand behind her in the aisle, and then you can talk.
This is the disruptive individual referenced in the accounts provided by airport staff.
Hi, miss. Can you come off the plane with me?
Well, if you can explain to me the reason why.
I'll explain it out there,
No,
but
I
we
would
can't.
like, no,
Miss, this is what's going to happen. Everybody's going to get off the airplane, and then we're going to have to take you against your will. And we don't want to do that because you're going to upset all these other passengers.
Here's the thing is I'm not really worried about the other passengers. What I am worried about is my rights.
Okay.
And my rights are that you are to explain to me what it is that is going on. I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, so let me explain it to you.
No, but you are going to listen to me.
I'm going to explain it to you.
And you can after I'm done.
Okay.
So I'm very well aware of my rights. I'm very well educated. Clearly, I'm sitting here. I paid for this thing 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
I've done absolutely nothing wrong. There is something wrong with people that work for this airline that are outside, which have made the complaint against me. I've done nothing wrong. So if you guys want to tell me what it is that I did wrong, then maybe I will cooperate.
Well, the captain.
No, the captain of the airplane is right there, and him and I had a very clear conversation. He does not believe that this should be happening.
Well,
he said
he's there and we're here.
And he's right here, and he told me to my eyes, he said this is out of his control.
Right. So that's why we come off the
aircraft. Please come talk.
Can we have first class to plane so you can just take
I am first class.
Okay, all right. The other people.
There's something going on.
I am
You exhibited, Miss Nash, you exhibited some behavior that's not conducive to that.
Am I exhibiting not behavior?
You've either ingested or taken something
that's
getting in the front of your judgment. That's what I'm saying.
I have not.
So we're going to have everybody come out, and then we're going to have to
Okay,
take it
that's
out.
fine. Can you take my bag that is...
No, ma'am, you're refusing to come
No,
out.
I'm not leaving here without my bag.
Well, grab your bag, and we'll take it.
Good, you can do that.
You can do it because that's your bag. That's your bag, so you do it.
Are you guys really this sick?
Are you wanting to get your bag?
Conversation? Are
Right,
you kidding
and it's
me?
beyond his control.
No, listen to him.
You're gonna want to stand up and exit the aircraft at this
Control
opportunity.
12 or 111.
If you don't, it's gonna be worse.
Are you kidding me?
I'm telling you.
No, he's
You
not.
should take my advice.
Just grab your bag and
I haven't done anything wrong.
Well, you've exhibited some kind of behavior and
They're
they're
proper
concerned.
channels.
So what we're going
let's
to do
grab
right
your bag.
now, what we're going to do right now is we are going to start recording this.
I'm recording you too, so that's fine. I have no problem going on YouTube. But grab your bag and let's get off the plane so you don't upset the rest of the
I've already upset the rest
You
of
have,
her.
yes. So let's just get out, get your bag, and we'll leave.
Here's the deal, sir.
Tears began to fall as she was finally forced to leave the aircraft, no longer at the request of airline staff, but under orders from police.
Okay. All right.
You know what? You know what I don't like? You know what I don't like? I don't like...
Let's see if first class is okay.
Do we leave or something?
You don't have to unless you want to.
We can though.
No?
Okay.
There we go. Right.
Don't you guys have more important things to do?
We do. Yeah, we do, but this is one of the important ones.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's really not.
is.
It's, you know what it is, and I will tell you what it is.
All right, grab your bag. We can talk while you're walking.
No.
But you're telling me what to do. It doesn't work that
No,
way.
here's the
Miss
thing.
Nash, it doesn't work that way.
Listen,
Grab your
listen,
bag.
that's
Grab your bag and
This
let's
is what's
go.
going to happen.
What's going to happen is in
By
about
your
5
phone.
seconds, you're going to get in handcuffs.
What are you going to do?
We were going to arrest you for disorderly conduct. How's that? Thank you so much.
Ma'am, continue up.
Just give me a second, would you?
We've had plenty of time. Go ahead and go up.
Please go
I'm
on.
waiting
Just
for you.
give me a second. Let me.
Go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Are you kidding me?
Do one more and we just
Just give me
15.
a second.
One more and we just
Just give me a second.
Gotta walk, ma'am. You gotta
Just
get
give
off.
me a second. would
Upstairs,
you?
we can get a second. We're gonna walk.
Listen, I'm not a...
10-15.
Don't resist, ma'am. Relax. Control one.
How do you guys even do your job? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Don't hurt me. Just let me walk. Just give me a second.
You had your chance to walk up.
Is this your purse?
Hey, when the plane comes back, you see the fueler. Can you tell him to come out while he's
Give me a second. Would you just stop? Would you just stop? I will walk.
You're gonna get another charge.
No,
Just walk.
you're hurting
Just walk.
me.
We're not hurting. You walk, you won't get hurt. Simple. Don't push
You're
away.
embarrassing me. Are you kidding me? Are you? This is you. not okay.
Ma'am, you got an ID in this purse?
My ID's in my purse.
In your other purse?
This is what you guys are paid for. It's not okay. The girl with the red hair, it's not okay. The cops on my hands, they hurt really bad.
They're not made for comfort.
I'm not a criminal. Look at me in my eyes. You can't. Look at me.
Keep walking.
No, just look at me.
Huh? Keep
You
walking.
can't because you know that.
We gave you every opportunity to get off the plane.
Stop! This is not right. Stop! Just let go. I will walk. You
No,
don't have to hold
absolutely
me.
not.
Listen, you do not have to hold me.
I'll come over here.
And do you guys have anything else? Where's my other bag?
We have your bags.
We have your bags.
Can you please just let
No,
me?
they have to hold you because you're handcuffed.
I'm not going to run. Just let me just
It's for your
walk.
safety. They're gonna hold
You guys are crazy.
Okay.
I'm not a criminal. Trump in the art of the deal, he'd be like, this is so up. This is not right. You guys go home every night, you're like, this is not right what I'm doing. Listen, can you do me a favor? I will walk wherever you guys want me to, just let me walk on my own.
You can. All you gotta do is walk.
I am, but you don't have to hold me.
We have to hold you.
No, you do not.
I'm not pushing you.
No, you do not. You do not have to push me. You don't have to hold me. I'm not. Are you kidding me?
The woman simply did not stop talking for even a single second.
Just let me. Just give me. Just let me breathe for a second.
You can breathe.
No, I can't.
Okay, all right. Stop,
Let
stop,
go.
stop.
Let go.
What's your name?
No.
All right. Listen,
Please just have him let
Listen.
me go. I just want him to let
I'm
me
Lieutenant
go.
Porter. I'm Lieutenant Porter. Listen to me. I'm their supervisors. Listen to me.
Okay.
I have to pat you down.
Okay.
Okay, so he's
Okay.
going to steady you
Okay.
because you're handcuffed.
I understand.
Okay, so give me, is there anything on you that is sharp?
There's-
Okay.
Look at me. Are you
All right,
kidding me?
I know. Okay, so just stay calm for a minute. Yep, exactly. You're doing great. Just breathe. Perfect, perfect. Okay.
Could you please let go of my arm?
He can't, he has, listen to me.
I've been an abused woman. I've been
He has
hit
to
by a
steady
man.
it.
I need you to just
What's your
let
first
go.
name?
of
What's
my
your first
name is
name?
Lauren.
Okay,
My
Lauren.
last
Lauren.
name is... I need him to just stop grabbing my
Lauren.
arm. It's so aggressive.
Listen to me. Listen to me, Lauren. Okay? You are handcuffed and you are intoxicated.
I know I'm
we
not.
don't want you to fall on your face. Okay?
I'm not
So
intoxicated.
he doesn't
The
want you to fall.
airline said that I was intoxicated. I'm not intoxicated. There's nothing that you guys will find in my purse and my belongings. There might be
All right, I gotta go in the front. I gotta go in the front.
Find in my purse. There's nothing that you guys are gonna find. I just want you to wake up and learn. There's so many things that you guys need to concentrate on. It's not me. Can you please? Can you please?
Yeah, I'll give her a
Just let- I don't.
Ma'am, go ahead and hop in.
I can't hop in. I need to.
I'm holding you so you don't fall. Put your left foot on first.
Does this make you guys get off? Like, what the? Are you kidding me? Do I deserve this? You can't even look at me in the face. Because you know it's wrong. It's not right.
If you scoot up forward, it's easier on your wrist.
It's not right.
Finally, after a grueling 15 minutes, officers were able to successfully escort the woman into a patrol vehicle.
You know, turn it off.
I have a couple questions for you, okay? You said you're married?
Open the door, please. I would like some air.
You said you're married, correct? To a Marine?
In the past, yes, I'm divorced now.
Okay, so you're single.
I'm single. I want an attorney.
Okay. Are you right or left-handed?
I want an attorney.
You can have an attorney.
Good. Don't ask me any more questions.
You don't want to answer any more
I
questions?
want an attorney.
Okay.
I'm not a Mexican. Kidding me? I want the badge numbers of everyone involved. And if you do not give them to me, I will request them by my attorney.
She's trying to take her seatbelt.
No, I'm trying to breathe. Are you kidding me? I need to breathe. I need some air. I did not do anything wrong except for speak up for myself, and I only spoke up for myself. I didn't speak up for myself or anybody else or anything wrong. And this black woman at the beginning of the airline did not like me, and she did not like that I was first class. She did not like that I was up front, and she wanted to slander me. She wanted to say all these things about me and she should be fired. And American Airlines should be sued for the way I'm being treated. It's so f***ed up. Oh my gosh, would you please slow down? You're making me nauseous. Please slow down. What I would appreciate is some water and some fresh air. Listen, sir. I'm not
fresh air. A lot of fresh air on the ride over.
That's fine. I want to be let out on this side.
You're getting out on that side.
Sir. Were you the one that drove with us here, or are you new?
All right, Mara, come on.
No, listen, I'm not comfortable with any of the officers that drove me here. I'm not comfortable.
Come on,
no, listen, I want, no,
Mom,
I
don't
can,
come out
listen.
on your own accord.
Sir,
you're going to be pulled out.
I can get out.
Then let's go.
On my own accord. I'm somebody that did not drive me here. I do not feel safe for anybody that drove me here. No, I want somebody that did not drive me here to ask me to get out of the car, and I would be okay with it. Let that be known.
Well, he didn't drive. He didn't drive you over here.
As long as it's not anybody that was in this vehicle on the way here. Do you understand what I'm requesting?
Come on, Lauren. You can step out on your own.
I will step out on my own.
Come on.
With somebody that did not drive me.
He's right here. He's right here.
I want him to come here.
He's right here. Look.
Ask me to come out of the vehicle.
He's right here.
Come on, man. Let's come out. So we can get it done. Come on.
Can you come here?
Come on.
No, I just want one hand, please. Thank you.
Follow them there.
Thank you. What is your name, sir?
I'm Deputy Fair.
Thanks,
Just
buddy.
follow them, okay?
No, listen. You do not have to listen. Stop! You do not have to grab me. Stop it! You do not have to grab me. Walk. You are being so bad. Are you kidding me? Would you tell him not to grab me like that? It's so gentle. Tell him not to grab me like that. It's so bad.
Stand over here.
Stop! Do
You
not!
stop.
Do not! Thank you.
Relax. Because you're not going to come here all.
Do you want to fill out that form?
Yeah.
What ended this incident wasn't confusion or miscommunication, it was refusal. The woman was given multiple clear instructions and several chances to leave the aircraft voluntarily. Each time she chose to argue instead. Legally, the situation is simple. Airlines can deny boarding for disruptive or intoxicated behavior, and once police issue lawful orders, refusal becomes a criminal matter. Arguing rights in the moment doesn't stop enforcement, it only adds consequences. In the end, continued resistance left her with no options. She was placed under arrest and is now facing charges of disorderly intoxication. What started as a denied boarding decision ended in handcuffs because the choices never changed. What do you think about this incident? Leave your opinion in the comments below so we can continue the discussion.